Hello, Rahul.
Hi, Naya. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm doing well. What are you doing here?
I came to buy some groceries. You?
I came to buy a notebook for my English classes.
Are you taking English classes now?
Yes, I go every morning at 10 o'clock
Where do you study?
at Bright English Academy near the bus stop.
Is it a good place?
Yes, the teachers are very helpful.
What did you learn there?
We learn grammar, vocabulary, and speaking.
Do you like the speaking practice?
Yes, it's my favorite part.
How many students are in your class?
Around 15, most are beginners like me.
Do you have any friends in the class?
Yes, I made 3 new friends already.
What time do your classes end?
At 11:30 a.m., then I go home.
What do you do after class?
I eat lunch, then help my father in the shop.
What kind of shop is it?
It's a small stationery shop.
Do you enjoy working there?
Yes, I learn many things and I get to meet people.
Do you work every day?
No, only 5 days a week, I rest on weekends.
What do you do on weekends?
I play cricket with friends and watch movies.
Which movie did you watch last?
I watched a comedy movie called Fun Time.
Did you like it?
Yes, it was very funny, I laughed a lot.
Do you watch English movies too?
Sometimes with subtitles, they help me learn.
What's your favorite English word?
I like the word believe.
What do you want to become?
I want to become a teacher
Why a teacher?
because I like to share knowledge and help others.
Where do you want to teach?
In a village school. What is your dream, Naya?
I want to be a nurse.
Why a nurse?
Because I want to take care of people.
Do you study nursing now?
Not yet, I'm preparing for the entrance exam.
Is it difficult?
A little, but I study every day.
Do you study alone or with someone?
Sometimes with a friend, we help each other. Do you study at home too?
Yes, I study grammar and read books at night.
What kind of books do you read?
I read short stories and English learning books. Do you read too?
Yes, I read health articles and magazines.
That's helpful for your dream. Do you ever feel tired from studying?
Sometimes, but I remember my goal.
That's the spirit, never give up.
Thank you, same to you.
Do you cook?
Yes, I love cooking.
What's your favorite dish?
I love rice and vegetable curry.
Sounds tasty. Can you cook chapati?
Of course, my mother taught me.
I want to learn too.
I can teach you one day.
That would be fun. Let's plan it soon.
Yes, and you can help me speak more English.
Deal, we help each other.
I have to go now, my mother is waiting.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Sure, same place, same time.
Bye, Naya.
Bye, Rahul, take care. If you liked this conversation, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English practice. Thank you for watching.